Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about the other widgets of the progress bar, and in now today's lecture, we will be studying about how to drag the records in the tree view or list view in Odoo 19 for our custom module. So as you can see, currently I am in the library management module. Now when I go to the cells module, open any of the records, and here you can see there are products. Now there is a icon shown here, and on clicking that we can drag the particular record. So how can we implement such functionality in our custom module for list view or tree view? Let's see. It is a very simple process. What I will do, first go to my library management module, and here there is a person's view, and here as you can see we have book issue list view is shown. I will add the similar functionality here. First, we need to create a field which is of integer type. So in order to do that, let's go to the code. In our code, go to the persons model. Here is our particular person.line model, and here I will simply add a field. Once is equal to fields dot integer, and I will give a string as well. I will add string is equals to sequence, and I will also add the default value equals to 10. What I have done, I have simply created a field named as sequence of type integer. Remember that. Now I'll simply add this field in the view as well. Go to the library persons view, and here is our line ID, and I will simply add this field here. Now what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading, go to the library management, persons view, open the record. In book issue, you can see the sequence is shown, and by default, the value is shown as 10. Now what I'll do, I'll add the order tag in the particular model. Go to the code, and in the persons view, here we have line. I will add the attribute order, which we have already discussed in our previous lecture. And in this order I will add as per the sequence. Control C, Control V. And now I'll quickly restart my server. Go to the apps, upgrade my module. Right, it's successfully upgraded. Then go to library management, go to the person, same thing, book issue, done. Now what I'll do, you can see we can see the sequence, but currently I cannot drag and drop the records like in the cells module. So in order to do that, we need to add a widget known as handle for that particular field. So what we will do, we will simply go to the code. In the view, I will add in this field, add a widget equals to handle. And after adding the widget, I will simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading, go to the library management module, persons view, open the record. See, now you can see the icon is shown, and also as you can see our arrow will be changed. Our mouse pointer will be changed as well. And now you can see I can easily change the sequence of the particular records and save it as well. So it is a very helpful functionality which you can use if you want to drag and drop the records in the list view or tree view. So in order to summarize today's lecture, what I have done, I have created a handle which will eventually drag and drop the record sequence. So in order to do that, what you need to first do, you need a, in the model, you need a field. You can name it anything, but you must remember that the type must be integer. After that, you need to set the order as per the custom field, which is sequence. Then simply add this particular field in your view as well. And then at last, you can simply add the widget handle. After adding the widget handle, you can easily drag and drop the records in list view or tree view. I hope this topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.